What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5, how to use a web browser Instagram on your PlayStation 5. And here we go, the settings and system. Go to the network. Here you have a view PlayStation network services, and simply this is a web browser, and then simply scroll down. Here you have a PlayStation Store, tap on it, and then you simply go to the PlayStation Store. Scroll down in the bottom, in the last, you get the, look at that, this one, Facebook, X, Instagram, YouTube, and other. So here we are. You just press on the Instagram, and then you simply get on the login. Here you add your information, email address, and the code, and sign in simply. And if you are connecting with the Facebook, simply just connect with the Facebook. So that's how you can use Instagram on your PlayStation 5. Simply that's how. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.